Please subscribe.
Now entering its fifth generation as a 2018 model, the new Hyundai Accent sedan looks more mature than ever, taking styling cues from larger Hyundais. A new chassis, a revised four-cylinder engine, and several new tech features look to make the redesigned Accent a more formidable competitor to other subcompacts such as the Toyota Yaris and the Ford Fiesta. The Accent hatchback is a casualty of the redesign, as the 2018 Accent lineup in the US now consists only of a four-door sedan. The car's overall silhouette isn't changed much, but new front and rear end designs give the Accent a look much like a shrunken version of the attractive Elantra sedan. The version pictured here is a top trim limited model, with 17-inch wheels and LED lighting accents. Thrifty shoppers should be aware that the more affordable SE and SEL models look considerably less glitzy with their smaller wheels and less chrome trim. A wheelbase stretched by 0.4 inch, along with a slightly wider stance, gives the new model a smidge more passenger volume than its predecessor. A full interior makeover finally brings the Accent into the 21st century, and the cleanly styled dashboard offers an optional 7.0-inch central touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. At long last, a backup camera, which wasn't even available on the old Accent, is standard equipment. A 1.6-liter inline-4 with direct injection remains the only engine choice. Hyundai claims to have retuned the engine for more flexibility, although outright horsepower and torque numbers are down a bit, to 130 horsepower and 119 pounds-to-foot. That should still be enough power for the roughly 2,500-pound Accent. A 6-speed manual is standard and a 6-speed automatic is optional. EPA fuel economy figures rise slightly for both transmissions, with the automatic achieving 32/28 of a mile per gallon city/highway/combined, a 2 mile per gallon improvement all around, and the manual hitting 31/28 of a mile per gallon, a 1 mile per gallon improvement in the city. As consumer expectations for in-car tech continue to increase, even for lowly subcompacts, Hyundai rises to the challenge with an impressive set of optional features. The limited model comes with automated emergency braking, a rarity in this segment, along with proximity entry and push-button start, automatic climate control, and heated front seats. Even the mid-level SEL includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the base SE comes with power windows and Bluetooth phone connectivity. The 2018 Accent sedan is scheduled to go on sale sometime this fall. Despite its numerous improvements, pricing shouldn't increase too much from that of the current sedan, which starts at $15,630 and ranges up to $17,335.